Today's yoga practice is geared towards strengthening your lower back. This is a quick, effective, and easy practice for beginners and anyone struggling with tension, stiffness, or lower back pain. If you're recovering from a back injury of any kind, please listen to your body and modify as needed. All right, welcome back. Grab your yoga mat, a reusable water bottle, and let's get started. Lay your back down on your mat and hug your knees into your chest. Feel free to flex your feet and move them around if that feels good, and we'll be here for about 20 more seconds. Supine twist, right side. So left leg is straight, your right leg is going to go over your left, and turn your head to the right. Supine twist to the right side. This time keep your right leg straight, bring your left over your right, and turn your head to the left side. Remember to keep taking deep breaths in and out. All right, sit back up on your yoga mat nice and straight. You want to hug your right knee into your chest, but make sure you keep your upper arm bones back, tighten your core, and take some deep breaths in and out. We'll be here for about 30 seconds. Take your left hand behind your back and turn your head with it for a quick stretch to your left side. Let's give our right knee another good hug. And then swing your right hand behind your back. Again, follow along with your head. And we'll be here for the same amount of time. Release. Lower your right knee to the ground like so. And we're going to twist again, starting on our right side. And now turn to your left side. Raise your right hand up high to the sky and lower to your left foot or your left ankle for a nice stretch in the lower back. Don't extend too much. It is not a competition of how far you can go. It's what feels best for your body in this moment. We're here for about 30 seconds. Sit back up and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So hug your left knee into your chest. Keep breathing in and out. Place your left hand behind your back as you twist to your left. Take your right hand behind your back and twist to your right. Lower your left knee to the mat, reach your left hand high to the sky, and reach over to touch your right foot or right ankle. And if you'd like, you can place your right hand on the mat behind your back. Remember your breath, keep breathing. This time, both hands reach high to the sky for a seated forward fold. If it's too much for your back to grab your feet, you can reach for your ankles instead. Keep taking deep breaths in and out. Half pigeon, right side. In half pigeon, you can either tuck your toes on the mat or you can let the top of your foot rest on the ground. half pigeon left side. Rise up into a tabletop position. Here we're going to do 5 cat-cows to get some good movement in our spine. Inhale as you round, and exhale as you lengthen. We're going to repeat that 4 more times. Inhale, exhale. Child's pose. Lift back up as if you're going to go into downward dog, but let your knees just hover above your mat. And now press into downward dog. Keep breathing in and out. Slowly crawl your hands back to your feet for ragdoll. You can sway your arms side to side here if that feels good. Release the tension in your neck and in your jaw. If you want to modify here, you can place your fingertips on your yoga mat. Downward facing dog. Runner's lunge, right foot forward. Your right foot is going to be right of your right hand. Go ahead and lower your knee. Runner's lunge, left side. Again, you're going to want your left foot on the outside of your left hand. So you'll have both hands in front of you on the mat, and your left foot will be to the left of both of your hands. Go ahead and lower your back knee to the mat. puppy pose. Thread the needle here and take your right arm and extend through your left side. And thread the needle on the other side. So left arm goes under your right side. Child's pose. Awesome work, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm sending all of you my love, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.